In this video, we will study about the outer join. I have created two data sets, employee and then salary. Slight change from the from the data sets we use for inner join. You can take a look at the data sets. Four employees are there in the employee data set and their names. Three employees are there in the salary data set and their salaries. Employee 1, 2, 3, 4 are there in employee table, and 1, 2, 5 are there in salary. My requirement is that I want the entire observation which is there in the employee ID and only the matching observation from salary. Listen me carefully. The entire observation from the employee table and only the matching observation from salary. Okay, so essentially in the final data set I want ID 1, 2, 3, 4 to be there, the names, but the corresponding salary for only the employee 1 and 2 will be there, because the salary will come from the salary table and we don't have salary information for ID 3 and 4. So how do we do it? We will do it by left join. Why left join? Because first table that we will be using is employee, and employee table will be joined with the second table, salary. Since we are using the first table where all the observation is supposed to be present in the final table, we call it as left join. Had it been the reverse, all the information from the second table, salary table, and only the matching information from the employee table, then it would have been right join. So that's the difference. We have two type of outer join: left outer join and right outer join, or simply left join, right join. Okay, create table inside the proc SQL, creating employee data set. I'm selecting ID, name and salary from the employee table, alias A. Left join salary alias B on A dot ID equal to B dot ID. So syntax is pretty much similar to inner join, except that instead of inner join we have used here left join. In the output you can see that the IDs from the first table, which is the employee table, all the IDs are there. The number 3 ID, okay, I think I haven't run these two codes, so let me run these two codes first. Fine. Right. So only the two observations are matching in both the data set, ID 1 and 2. But in the data set, the information from the first table is there, all the information, ID 3, 4 there, even though it's not matching, still we have it in the final data set and the corresponding names to the ID. Remember what was there in inner join. Had it been inner join, we would have got only first two rows. The next two rows wouldn't have been there. Corresponding salaries are the missing, because we don't have salary for the ID 3 and 4 in the salary data set, right? So that's about left outer join. Now we'll do the reverse thing. We want everything to be there from the second table and only the matching rows from the first table. First table is employee, second table is salary. Okay, now so instead of left join we write right join. Alright, ID is blank. Let me first see if this table is created properly or not. Okay, salary. Let me go to Explorer, work, salary. Right, so it's created properly. Let me run it again. Wonder why the ID is not coming. Okay, so I have made a mistake here. Well, the mistake that I have made here is that I'm taking the ID from the first table. Okay, so I should be taking it from the second table instead, right? Okay, so that's how we make the small mistakes. In the second table, we have the ID 5. That's the reason why it was coming blank. So this time it is going to be right. So you can mention right outer join or simply right join. Both are same. As you can see, we have data only from the second table. You have ID 1, 2, 3, but we don't have name for ID 5 because we don't have a corresponding name in the employee table. Okay, and we have salary information. What is the difference between left join and right join? From the right table, we have all the information, but only the matching rows from the left table or the first table. Okay, it's the opposite of left join. That's about left outer join and right outer join. You can also try full join. Okay, so what does full join do? Well, it takes from both the data sets. Okay, it does the work for left join as well as right join. Okay, it takes both the matching columns and the non-matching columns. Sorry, matching rows and the non-matching rows from both the data sets. So it combines left outer join and right outer join. Okay, so we get both the matching columns, matching rows and non-matching rows. That's about outer join.